He's our intercessor. He's the one that produces fruits in our lives. And He's also the distributor of gifts. So the Holy Spirit as person, when Jesus left, there was something that Jesus told them, the disciples, and this is in Acts 2, Acts 1, before Jesus ascended, He told them something. He told them that the Holy Spirit will come, that's why I need to leave, and you would be better off with Him there. And then He said something, and this is the wait that I referred to earlier. He said to them, wait here. Listen, I'm going to read it for you in Acts 1, verse 4 to 5 and verse 8. And being assembled together with them, He commanded them not to depart from Jerusalem, but to wait for the promise of the Father, speaking about the gift of the Holy Spirit. And this is what He says, which He said, you have heard from me. And then He says, for John truly baptized with water, but you shall be baptized with the Holy Spirit not many days from now. But you shall receive power when the Holy Spirit has come upon you, and you shall be my witnesses to me in Jerusalem and all Judea, Samaria, and to the ends of the world. So there's something about, so the Holy Spirit's this gift, but there's the essence sometimes that we need to wait for.